recently launched Power Clean 4-in-1 cleaning machine from Forte allows direct cleaning with new specially formulated treatments for fuel injection, turbo diesel, air intake and DPFs. The machine is reported to be highly effective and is already proven popular among garage owners for its all-in-one credentials.
We looked into other machines, but some of the machines you've got to buy a couple of different machines. Why I went for that machine is because it does all the functions in one complete machine, so it does the DPF, the injection cleaning, the intake cleaning, all in one combined machine.
Chris has been using the machine at AP Auto Care in Bristol for over a year and says it's worked well as an upsell service for his customers.
We upsell it on jobs that vehicles come in for lack of power, not running right, or it's failed the MOT. And there is a need to clean the engines, especially as the mileage gets higher. They become very restricted in their air intake systems and in manifolds, and it does clean the systems, especially when we've used it on BMWs to clean the air intake systems. Afterwards, the air intake is a lot cleaner before and after. So it's a time saver because you haven't got to strip the intake manifold apart, scrub it, clean it. It saves a lot of time and it's a lot quicker and cleaner.
The fuel injection service cleans the fuel injectors, intake valves and combustion chamber with a concentrated cleaning solution. A turbo service cleans turbines and variable geometry vanes by injecting a treatment directly into the combustion chamber, and an air intake service injects a cleaner into the manifold and inlet valves to remove contamination. The Dpf treatment flushes out the soot and ash, restoring original operation.
It comes with a selection of fitments, all the connections that you need. They have brought additional pipes and stuff out as time goes on, vehicles change, and then you just add the tin of cleaner to the machine depending on which service you're doing. I'd say it's very good with the DPFs on, especially the Volkswagen Audis have really good results, some high mileage cars with near enough non-running status, and it works perfectly on those.
For further information about Power Clean, go to www.forteuk.co.uk.